how to perform these kinds of conversion from acid to various kinds of functional group, that is taking acid as an starting material. First, let's see how acid is prepared. Acid is generally prepared by hydrolyzing cyanide compound, but you also can use another others way, that is dry ice on organometallic reagent, that is solid carbon dioxide using, or oxidizing carbonyl compounds, or oxidizing aliphatic compounds by strong oxidizing agent like potassium permanganate. First, let's see how fast conversion takes place. Everyone knows this, that's a esterification reaction that can be done by dilute acid or dilute base. But one thing is to remember, if you give dilute acid, then forward reaction as well as backward reaction also possible, that is from acid to ester, as well as ester against breakdown into acid. But if you give dilute base as a catalyst, then only forward reaction, no backward reaction will be possible. Now let's see from acid to aldehyde. For these kinds of inversion, we need to take help of one intermediate step, that is chlorinating step. Here one strong chlorinating agent is used, that is PCl5 or PCl3 or thionyl chloride, etc. After that, in carbonyl chloride, Rosenman reaction imposes hydrogen, palladium, barium sulfate. That is the reagent. Here barium sulfate is catalyst poison, palladium is catalyst, and hydrogen is reactant. Similar type of conversion from acid to carbonyl, that is ketone. Also here first step is chlorinating step. After that we have to take help of very reliable reagent for conversion of carbonyl chloride into ketone is dialkyl cadmium. Now see from acid to nitrile. We have to take help of previous steps, that is from acid to aldehyde is prepared first. After that we have to give hydrazone, sorry not hydrazone, hydroxym as an reagent. After that sodium acetate will directly produce cyanide or nitrile as a product. Now let's see conversion of acid to amine, primary amine with one carbon less. For these kinds of inversion, we have to take help of Hofmann degradation or Borodin-Hunstediger reaction, where we need to reduce one carbon. First, in similar type, uh, carbonyl chloride is prepared by chlorinating acid. After that, ammonium hydroxide is used, amide is formed. After that, Hofmann degradation with bromine KOH directly will produce amine with one carbon less. Here, KOH generally used, but you also use sodium hydroxide, and this will yield good. Now let's see from acid to amine with same number of carbon. That is the same step with only change in one reagent. That is here in previous we have used bromine KOH to uh, reduce one carbon, but normally if you use hydrogen and palladium, then no reduction in carbon, directly reduction will takes place. Now let's see from acid to nitro. This is very difficult conversion. First we need to take help of previous step and first have to prepare amine with one carbon less. After that we have to use very strong oxidizing agent like potassium permanganate or DMDO, dimethyl dioxirane, which very much strong oxidizing agent, and nitro will be prepared. It is very explosive reaction. Generally nitro group preparation is very explosive reaction. Now let's see from acid to azide with one carbon less. Here see, I have already said that we have to take help of Borodin-Hunstediger reaction or Hofmann degradation reaction to reduce one carbon. Here first silver hydroxide used, silver acetate prepared, silver carboxylate prepared. After that bromine CCl4, the radical type of reaction, Borodin-Hunstediger reaction, will reduce one carbon and directly will produce alkyl halide. After that, with sodium azide, substitution reaction takes place and azide compound will form. Now see from acid to acid, but it is a step of reaction, that is one carbon higher. Everyone knows this, that is uninstart synthesis, and go through Wolff rearrangement by using silver dioxide and diazomethane, very poisonous gas, diazomethane. First we have to chlorinate the acid. After that, diazomethane, using diazomethane will produce this compound. In this compound, just slightly heat, I just forgotten to present heat here, but slightly heat will produce ketene type of intermediate, on which water addition will produce acid with step up reaction, with step up, just one carbon higher. Now let's see from acid to alcohol with one carbon less. Again, similar type of convert, we have to take help of similar type of conversion, that is Borodin-Hunsdiker reaction, and prepare alkyl halide with first with one carbon less, then silver hydroxide using will fruitfully give one carbon less alcohol. And these kinds of conversion can only be done with silver hydroxide, because silver abstracts bromine and silver bromide from silver bromide, which is very much stable, and this is the driving force of this kind of reaction. Now let's see from acid to acid, but one double bond in between. These kinds of conversion can be done with Perkin condensation. First we have to prepare aldehyde from acid. After that, Perkin condensation is done with acetic anhydride and sodium acetate, and directly will produce these kinds of acid. One thing is to remember here, that if you use here sodium acetic anhydride, then obviously you have to use sodium acetate. You cannot use here sodium forbate or sodium any other oxalate, any other sodium oxalate or any other kinds of acid you cannot use here. Similar kind of couple you have to use. Now let's see from acid to alkyl halide with one carbon less. I have shown it previously that from acid to alkyl halide is prepared by this way, Borodin-Hunsdiker reaction, and this is a radical type of reaction. Bromine radical is formed, and upon elimination of carbon dioxide will produce this alkyl halide with one carbon less. If you like, please comment and subscribe, and comment in the chat box if you need any specific conversion.